Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter or enable reading view on your Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint, and you want to select the View tab up at the top, right above Presentation Views. There should be something that says Reading View. Go ahead and select that. And if you want to close out of that, just tap the escape key, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.